Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up the Canon PIXMA TR4522 printer software on your Windows, Mac, or Linux computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser and you want to search for Canon PIXMA TR4522 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best results should come back from a Canon domain here. This is Canon support for PIXMA TR4522. Go ahead and open that up. And now on this page, you want to scroll down underneath downloads and expand software and drivers. And then scrolling down again, select the TR4500 series full driver and software package. Select download. And then once that's downloaded, go ahead and open up that file. It should be a verified publisher from Canon. Select yes. You can close out of the browser at this time if you choose. You don't have to keep it open. And then select Start Setup, select Next, and then just give it some time to run. And then you want to accept the license agreement, select Yes, and then you can accept additional services related to other Canon products, depending if you use them or not. So just select Yes on that. Maybe you don't need to, but you don't want to have an issue later on. And then select either Wi-Fi or USB connection based on your connection preference. And then you would select next and then just follow through the remaining on-screen prompts and you should be good to go. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.